Well, as I myself tell cartel say now, no matter watch the noise of the market, what you sell. You have to just behave yourself inside where there. See if you can come out, you understand me, and be a minister, guide the youth them, because everyone take what you say for joke or for some anansi story, but them can't see the sense in what you do. But as I say, you think still a shot, you collect, you understand me, and everything still a go on. So.
Alright, me ask you a question now. What kind of positive contribution you believe Vybz Kartel bring to Jamaica and its people?
It all nice song them. Yeah, but we are jump from one thing, from one limb to the next limb. You understand me? We don't remember the goodness. We jump a left and a foot. Yeah, so I say him just come out as a preacher, minister, guide the youth them. Because a film stuff, a film thing. I run Jamaica, I run the dance hall, because I say the dance hall can stall. You understand me? So we see what I bring. You understand me? So, youth, as I say, it seems like they want to kill you alive. When you're there, they don't want you to come out back. Depend on your appeal, work towards the appeal. Because I think one of the Grammy where you get supposed to do with good nutrition.
YVA.
Alright, right? You understand me? Because you produce music, you know, my youth. You know, just sit down and work, you know. It's just, listen to them. Somebody must have called them and tell them, so, oh, Vybz Kartel, lock up, I'm not free and this and that. Then jump with it, then run with it now, then get something to run with. That's what the news media set up for now. You understand me? As soon as somebody rise, then try to carry them down. But when I say, you think global role, you understand me? How we say Rosite, you understand me? Born bad mind. How we say pastor, you understand me? A little girl on the school bus, you understand me?
But yo, one of the hot topic, you know.
Yeah?
You know, the whole Vybz Kartel and Lisa Anna situation is, what Lisa Anna is trying to say is Vybz Kartel is responsible for the decaying of Jamaican moral standard. And most of Vybz Kartel fan base are teenagers. Whole heap of them are teenagers. And the teenagers, them are listen and they follow every word that come out of Vybz Kartel mouth. They're emulating lifestyle, what I preach about, and the attitude what I carry on with. Everybody feels say, yo, everything what Vybz Kartel say, Allah. So, what would I really like if you do address the issue in regards to how people react to Vybz Kartel music and the impact what I have on Jamaica and the world at large.
Alright. For instance, far is Jamaican Michael Jackson. So, it's just because they cannot see him alive. Just like all the real Michael Jackson dead. You understand me? So, when I say, I don't know, Sensation Jackson coming a different, in a free form, a free Jamaican Jackson. You understand me? So, what me say, if anyone feels say they want Cartel, to talk to them, to say something to them, just go play one Cartel song, man. And dance and happy. And see where yourself can make some money. Because today a woman day. Today the 8th. You understand me? March. You understand me? Woman day today. So I say all women empower themselves. You understand me? And nobody go out there go sell. If you sell a body, you sell for money. Sell for something going on, nobody go borrow. You go beg a neighbor a cup of tea a morning. You understand me? You're supposed to can buy a gas stove. You understand me? Buy a cylinder. Buy a bed. You understand me? Pay for your dresser. You understand me? If you sell a body. I just say a thing there. I that the Prime Minister Andrew when I share this evening. But you know put out the good. You want to tell them to empower themselves. Because them know. Because we have a woman Prime Minister. You understand me a while ago. Until then we don't got no woman movement. You understand me?
So you say the woman them to empower themselves to go sell them pussy?
Well, as I say, where the free zone work there? Come on now. You understand me? At the end of the day, everybody have to eat, dress, and live somewhere. They're retreating my prime minister about education and health. You understand me? And the next one, feed yourself, govern yourself.
When a woman they sell her body for financial gain, it don't really look good in the eyes of the public or society, you know. So no matter which level of society you come from.
Alright. I put it this way again. I me say pound of pussy. You understand me? So me address it right back now.
Yeah.
We don't know say there's an international slave going same way. You understand me? Where them call extortion pan the woman them. You understand me? A lot of man Yeah, me and grown.
Sex slave.
Yes, pick up the woman, them, kill them go on nightclub. By tomorrow night, them move from the club, I can't go on this club. We see that I go on. But the thing now put in a bracket in the right way, like how me talking. We lost no of the premise and no create no job. So how the man them live? They don't want one man. You understand me? So them have to sell them body. There's nothing wrong with that. You understand me? Because no power there as you as a reborn.
They don't want one man or one man can supply them financial demand.
Well, me like you correct the sentence. Well, that me I say. So me I say, every woman out there, you don't know what I do, you don't know no word. You understand me? I what my father say. You understand me? If you know there's something clean, girl, why are you worried about? What me I say? Me know say the boss, teacher, go and come say it all. So me I say, well, I say go. A niceness, you understand me? A world boss man. Yan.
You think them a fight down dancehall or Vybz Kartel them a fight?
Well, them not fight, they not fight nothing, you know. It's just speculation, them a go after. Like how Foota Hype jump up on the girl and everybody, you know what I mean?
Punch girl.
Yeah, but Miss Jamaica and Magla, she take part of the carnival, so Foota Hype I say, you know, like how she dress. Me I say, but Foota Hype as a selector, you supposed to know say, man read them things in a dance hall. You understand me? So, you know what I mean?
Carnival or dancehall, no matter, woman just dress how they
Yeah,
want.
but you see, you have to know this, you know. For once, your freedom lock away, you know, man. Them a try to take away everything, they try to take away life against it to you know. For once, your freedom put away, society not go try, you know, for to take away your life and done. Me show the world. You understand me? So black people believing on the dream, believe in themselves. And again, we have to work. One hand cannot clap. Learn that back for your grandmother. Don't run out of the yard, you don't learn for your grandmother. One hand cannot clap. All the way, it's like a chain. All the way a link. If one pop off, the work stop. Where is that going on in Jamaica? A slave mentality. It's just pure slave mentality. We don't see no black man powerful like one Chinaman. All the community them supposed to have a big shopping center, a big plaza. You understand? Skate land, netball court, basketball court. Teacher and nurse come on from work now somewhere and come into can go practice. You understand me? And out of that you can pick up development. What I go on? That's crime. The whole Jamaica turn to crime. Well, not because him say Gaza. I understand on Gaza and there Jamaica. I just lyrics. So a man just go take up that and I run with it. And I say, boy, the man a please pay violence and pay war Jamaica. You understand me? I mean,
You think Vybz Kartel or Bossy appeal?
yes. It just about me I say, process. We don't see it, you know.
See it.
Yeah, we don't see it. And we're so powerful that we can talk to the sea and let him out. You understand me? Yeah, man.
See it.